All things considered, I rate the Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set as the best nonstick cookware set due to its non-toxic ceramic composition and exceptional nonstick performance. This Sensarte Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set offers a healthy alternative to traditional nonstick pans. Made from natural ceramic, it's free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, guaranteeing a safe cooking environment. You can enjoy your meals without worrying about toxic fumes or harmful substances leaching into your food. The standout feature is its remarkable non-stick surface. Eggs, pancakes, or anything you fancy will glide right off with minimal use of oil, making cooking simpler and healthier. It's no surprise that cleaning up afterward is a breeze too, since food doesn't cling to the surface. It also ensures that your culinary creations retain their natural flavors, which really makes your meals more enjoyable. Induction compatibility is another great feature here. With a stainless steel bottom, this set is suitable for all stovetops, including gas and electric. The cast aluminum body ensures even heat distribution, allowing you to cook your meals evenly without hot spots. For aspiring chefs, it's an excellent addition to the kitchen arsenal, that's for sure. The set includes everything you need for a small family, with various pieces like a 9.5-inch frying pan, an 11-inch saute pan with lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, and a 4.7-quart casserole with lid, plus usable silicone utensils. You're well equipped for diverse cooking tasks. Moreover, the tempered glass lids help you keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid constantly, which is a big plus. Despite these compelling benefits, there are some considerations. For instance, the handles need to be removed before placing a pan in the oven. Also, while the ceramic coating offers excellent non-stick properties, these pans are not the lightest on the market. Similarly, this set is better suited for cooking at low and medium heat to maintain the longevity of its non-stick features. Embrace the pros, manage the cons, and this cookware could be your kitchen's best friend for health-conscious cooking. The number 2 product on my list is the Amazon Basics Nonstick Cookware 8-piece set, which I rate as the best non-stick cookware set on a budget. Crafted for both new cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike, this versatile set covers all your basic cooking needs. From sautéing vegetables to simmering sauces, the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Cookware 8-piece set ensures even heat distribution with its spiral bottom design, making meal preparation more efficient. The non-stick coating simplifies cooking and cleanup, further enhanced by BPA-free construction for safe use. Also, soft touch handles provide a comfortable grip, staying cool even as the pots and pans heat up. This set includes essential sizes: 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans and 3 lidded saucepans, perfect for your everyday cooking. Though it excels in many areas, it comes with a few limitations. Compatibility is an issue if you own an induction cooktop. Also, the longevity of the nonstick surface might be affected by cooking sprays in high heat, which is something to keep in mind before you start making meals. Yet, considering its budget-friendly price and practicality, this set is a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. By carefully hand washing and using it on lower heat settings, you can maintain its condition for years, making it a smart investment for your cooking needs over the long term. Taking the number 3 spot on my nonstick cookware reviews list is the Carote 14-piece nonstick cookware set, which is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials with high-quality, versatile pieces. With the Carote 14-piece nonstick cookware set, you get a variety of pots and pans that cover almost every cooking need. The set includes everything from small frying pans to large casserole dishes, ensuring you're prepared for any recipe. One of the standout features is the sturdy, die-cast aluminum body, which makes the cookware both durable and lightweight, ideal for everyday use. You won't have to worry about the pans warping over time, and the lightweight design means they're easy to handle and move around the kitchen. The white granite nonstick coating is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly effective. It's 10 times more nonstick than traditional coatings, which means you're less likely to encounter food sticking to the surface, which ultimately makes cooking and cleaning up much easier and faster. Additionally, the set is designed to be user-friendly, with pans heating up quickly and evenly. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures compatibility with all stove types, including induction. This versatility means you won't need to replace your cookware if you decide to switch to a different type of stove in the future. Though the Carote cookware set is packed with benefits, it's worth noting that it's recommended to hand wash the pieces to maintain their quality. While the pans are easy to clean by hand, this may be a downside for those who prefer using a dishwasher. The set is also available in limited color options, primarily cream white, which might not suit everyone's kitchen decor. Lastly, if you frequently use your cookware in the oven, you should be aware that these pieces are not oven safe, which could be a limitation depending on your cooking habits. Despite these minor drawbacks, the combination of durability, non-stick performance, and versatile usability makes this set a compelling choice for any home cook. Checking in at number 4 is the highly rated All-Clad HA1 cookware set, which is the best non-stick pots and pans set that you can get, in my opinion, if you want a truly premium non-stick cookware set for your culinary creations. It's a solid investment for anyone who values durability and high performance in their kitchen cookware. The All-Clad HA1 cookware set is a noteworthy contender in the realm of non-stick cookware because its heavy-gauge aluminum construction ensures consistent heat distribution, making cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're simmering sauces or frying an egg, you can expect top-notch results thanks to its superior non-stick coating. This 8-piece set includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 2, 5, and 3, 5-quart covered saucepans, and an 8-quart covered stock pot. This set also catches the eye with its sleek, contour design. The stainless steel handles are double riveted, providing a secure grip during use, and the tempered glass lids allow you to keep an eye on your culinary creations without releasing any heat, which cuts down on cooking times. One of the set's best features is its versatility. The cookware is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and the lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making transitioning from stovetop to oven seamless. It's also dishwasher safe, although to maintain the non-stick coating's longevity, hand washing with soap and a sponge is recommended. Despite its many positives, the set does come with some drawbacks. The cookware might feel heavy for some, and the handles can be a bit uncomfortable. Additionally, it doesn't stack all that well, which could be an issue if storage space is limited. Yet, if you're looking for durable, high-quality cookware that provides excellent heat conduction and stylish design, the All-Clad HA1 cookware set stands out as a top choice. This set's pros certainly outweigh its cons, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen if you have the budget available. Up next is the T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, which earns the 5th spot on my best non-stick pan set list, thanks to its durability, versatility, and non-stick effectiveness. With the T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, you're getting a robust set of cookware that includes everything you need for a wide variety of cooking tasks. The set includes 1-quart, 2-quart, and 3-quart covered saucepans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, an 11.5-inch covered fry pan, a 10.25-inch griddle, a 3.5-quart sauté pan, a 5-quart Dutch oven, a 3-quart steamer insert, and a 1-egg Wonder fry pan. This wide range of pieces allows you to fry, brown, sauté, steam, slow cook, and more. Also, the non-stick surface ensures that even sticky ingredients like cheese or sauces won't leave a residue, making it a breeze to clean up afterward. The non-stick coating is reinforced with titanium, ensuring that food releases effortlessly from the pans, minimizing cleanup time. You'll also appreciate the thermo spot heat indicator that turns solid red when the pan is properly preheated, taking the guesswork out of achieving perfectly cooked meals. The construction of this set makes it a go-to for daily cooking because the hard anodized aluminum provides a sturdy base that resists warping, ensuring even heating and consistent cooking results. Additionally, the vented tempered glass lids let you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, retaining moisture and flavor. Even better, the cookware is designed for both stovetop and oven use, withstanding temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with lids safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This dual functionality is perfect for recipes that require transitioning from stove to oven, like searing meat before roasting. Plus, the silicone handles are riveted for a secure grip and remain cool to the touch, enhancing safety and comfort during cooking. Lastly, while this set is not compatible with induction cooktops, it performs excellently on gas and electric stovetops. The only downside might be that silicone handles are not everyone's preference, as some might prefer metal handles. However, the pros far outweigh the cons here, making this a solid investment for your kitchen. Now we have the Rachael Cucina Nonstick Cookware set, which really stands out as one of the best nonstick cookware sets on the market today. This cookware consists of 1 quart and 3 quart saucepans with lids, a 6 quart stock pot with lid, 8.5 inch and 10 inch frying pans, a 3 quart sauté pan with lid, and a slotted turner and spoon. This comprehensive selection makes it a great starter set, or an upgrade for anyone looking to refresh their kitchenware. Crafted from durable aluminum and hard enamel porcelain, these pots and pans promise both sturdiness and rapid, uniform heating. This makes cooking your favorite dishes not only efficient, but enjoyable. One of the standout features of this set is the espresso-colored non-stick interior. This enhances food release, making cooking and cleanup as smooth as butter. You'll really appreciate how easily food lifts off the pan, whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables. The dual riveted, rubberized stainless steel handles are designed for strength and comfort, providing a secure grip while handling hot cookware. These pieces also come with shatter-resistant glass lids, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing heat and flavor. This attention to detail adds to the overall convenience and control you have in the kitchen. While the set is oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's important to note that it's not suitable for induction stovetops. This limitation might be a deal breaker for some, but it's a minor issue if you're using standard gas or electric stoves. Also, the recommended hand washing might be a hassle for those used to dishwasher-safe options, but it ensures the longevity of the non-stick surface. In terms of design, the blend of rustic colors and modern design also makes these pieces visually appealing, fitting well with various kitchen decors. Moving on to one of the best non-stick pots and pans sets, we have the Caraway Nonstick Ceramic Cookware Set, which is a great choice if you're looking for a non-toxic, easy-to-clean kitchen upgrade. The set 10.5 inch frying pan, a 3 quart saucepan with lid, a 6.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, a 4.5 quart sauté pan with lid, 4 modular magnetic pan racks, and a canvas lid holder with hooks. Caraway's nonstick ceramic cookware set is an elegantly designed collection that not only looks great in your kitchen, but also performs exceptionally well. More than just aesthetics, it ensures a healthier cooking experience with its non-toxic coating, free from harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA. The non-stick properties are impressive, needing far less oil or butter than traditional cookware, which makes your meals healthier and reduces the hassle of cleaning up. Their oven-safe feature, up to 550 degree F, adds versatility, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without switching cookware. You should be aware that the set requires low to medium heat for optimal performance, which might take some getting used to if you're accustomed to high heat cooking. Additionally, while the pans are durable, they can be on the heavier side, which may be a consideration for some. Overall, this cookware set provides a blend of style, safety, and functionality, making it a worthy addition to any kitchen. And there you have it, my list of the best non-stick cookware sets. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product are in the description box below.